Welcome to the Mass Reading, where you have an opportunity to win a $50 gift card by guessing who is behind the Mass Reading pages. I'm your host, Brittany Cooper. Our first reader is, well, that's your job to figure out, but I can tell you the author in the book. The author is Julie Chen, and the name of the book is When I Grow Up.
Mom, when I grow up, what do you think I will be? Will I be funny or smart? Do you think I'll live near or far? Will I be a baker and make the world a sweeter place to live? Let's find out.
Okay, so who is it? Here's a clue. Sports isn't as fun without him. If you're watching on our YouTube page, please visit our website at memphislibrary.org. And if you are already on our website, simply enter your guess, and if you are correct, your name will be entered into a drawing to win a $50 Amazon gift card. Meanwhile, stop by your area Memphis Public Library to pick up a free copy of When I Grow Up during September's National Library Card sign-up. Good luck.